Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have finally reached the last page of this sketchbook, and my vacation also ends next week, so I'll be back with a bigger piece and I'm kind of looking forward to start painting again. So for this painting, we're going to be painting a lotus flower. So I've sketched out the lotus flower beforehand, and it's just so much easier because we can go in petal by petal to paint it. So there's going to be a bit of light coming from the 11 o'clock, so we want to kind of paint more light pink on top, and gradually as we go lower to the bottom petals, then we paint it in a deeper shade of pink. So the colors that I'm using are rose red, portrait tone, pale pink, and titanium white. So for each petal, what I usually do is I start with the darkest color, which is rose red, and then I mix it with portrait tone and gradually go to pale pink, and then we add a little bit of titanium white. So because there's going to be light hitting on the top part of the lotus, after I paint a few petals and let the paint dry, then I go back to the first few petals that we've painted and I add more titanium white. So for the petals along in the middle, I also add just a bit of titanium white in the middle of the petal to give it a little bit of shine. And then I repeat the process of starting with rose red, and then I slowly mix it with portrait tone, pale pink, and titanium white, and go petal by petal till we reach the final tier below. So for the petals at the bottom, I use more rose red and portrait tone and less pale pink and titanium white, so it looks a bit darker at the bottom. So what I do is I drag the paint out from the bottom or the inside of the petal, and then I just use the paintbrush to drag it out, and I slowly blend it in with portrait tone mixed with pale pink. So usually when I'm painting flower petal over what I've already sketched out, I treat this more like as if I'm coloring it, and I feel that it makes this so much easier and less intimidating. A size 000 brush also works, and once I finish painting all the petals, I continue to add more titanium white highlights to really get that gleam on the petals. So for the seed pods in the middle of the flower, I use orange red, and then I dot it with yellow, and then I add a little bit of titanium white dots. So for the stem, I paint them in dark green mixed with a little bit of light green, and then I add a bit of highlights in portrait tone to match the flower. And then we paint the background in pure black, Mars black, and in the middle over here I want to add a bit of glow, so I mix orange with black, and then I continue to paint this part, and I blend the edges of the light to really soften it so it doesn't look like this orange cone just shining down. And I continue to add more orange layer by layer and continue to blend and soften the sides around it so that you get a soft glow coming down from the top. And I also add a little bit orange at the bottom of the flower so it looks like a light overspill. Then I continue to add more orange mixed with a little bit of titanium white, and I just kind of really drag the paint downwards to emphasize the soft light. And for the final part, we're going to add a little bit of dots, or rather sparkles, to give it a more mystical look. So I'm just using white and yellow to create these dots around the flower, and it is finished. I hope you find this tutorial useful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.